Which country win its maiden Badminton Asia Team Championship BATC title in 2024? Number 1 option Malaysia and number 2 India, number 3 Indonesia, number 4 Germany. The correct answer is option 2 India. India defeated Thailand to win the nation of first Badminton Asia Team Championship title. India was revealed 2-2 before the teen prodigy Anmol Kharb defeated world number 45 Panpicha Choikbong 2-1, 1-4, 2-1, 9 in the final to help India win the maiden title. Who among the following is said to host the 2027 World Athletics Championship as per World Athletics governing body? Number 1 Beijing, number 2 Rome, option 3 Paris, and option 4 Birmingham. The correct answer is option 1 Beijing. The World Athletic Government Body announced the hosting of the 2027 World Athletics Championship by Beijing. Beijing earlier hosted the championship in 2015. The announcement was made after the Italian Athletics Federation announced the withdraw the host the event in Rome. World Athletics is an association of 214 members centuries divided into 6 area associations. Which among the following animals has been chosen in the majority of the 2024 Khelo India Winter Games? Option 1 Red Panda, option 2 Snow Leopard, option 3 Polar Bear, option 4 Hangul Deer. The correct answer is option 2 Snow Leopard. The LT government of Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Manoj Sinha, is launched the Mascot 2024 Khelo India Winter Games. Snow Leopard Sheen is Shan Sheen is Shishan going with the logo. The Winter Games are planned in two phases, with the first phase taking place in the Union Territory of Ladakh and second phase taking place at Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. Methyl propane is an isomer of option 1 N ethane, option 2 N pentane, option 3 N propane, option 4 N butane. The correct answer is option 4 N butane. Which of the following plant reproduction process is asexual? Option 1 fragmentation, option 2 budding, option 3 spore formation, option 4 all of this. The correct answer is option 4 all of this. Vinegar is an aqueous situation of option 1 acetic acid, option 2 malic acid, option 3 lactic acid, option 4 formic acid. The correct answer is option 1 acetic acid. Vinegar is an aqueous solution of acetic acid. Vinegar produced by the fermentation of ethanol by acetic acid bacteria. An aqueous solution is a solution in which water is used as the solvent. A non-aqueous solution is a solution in which the solvent is a liquid non-water. Sadbhavna Peak is related to which mountain range? Option 1 Gopachal Range, Option 2 Vindhya Range, Option 3 Rajpipla Range, and Option 4 Michael Range. The correct answer is Option 2 Vindhya Range. The highest point of the Vindhya Range is known as Seth Bhavan Shikhar, and it is also called Goodwill Peak. It is the highest peak of the Vindhya Range. The Dugar Peak and Peachmari is the highest peak in Madhya Pradesh. Which state has recently established a first of its kind Tamil Nadu Endangered Species Conservation Fund TNESCF for the protection of lesser known endangered species and purple frogs in Western Ghats? Option 1 Karnataka, Option 2 Andhra Pradesh, Option 3 Kerala, and Option 4 Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Option 4 Tamil Nadu. The government of Tamil Nadu established a first of its kind Tamil Nadu Endangered Species Conservation Fund TNESCF for the protection of lesser known endangered species and purple frogs in Western Ghats. The purple frog is also known as Maveli frog or Pignose frog, and its IUCN status in endangered. The fund with a corpus of 50 crore in constitute of recover priority special enacted the climate change. Which of the following folk dance is not correctly matched? Option 1 Phugdi Madhya Pradesh, Option 2 Gidda Punjab, Option 3 Jata Jatin Bihar, Option 4 Kalbelia Rajasthan. The correct answer is Option 1 Phugdi Madhya Pradesh. Phugdi is the folk dance of Maharashtra and Goa. What does S stand for in RTGS? Option 1 System, Option 2 Scheme, Option 3 Sovereign, Option 4 Settlement. The correct answer is Option 4 Settlement. Which Indian state is home to the Gaganchakki waterfall? Number 1 Chhattisgarh, Option 2 Maharashtra, Option 3 Kerala, and Option 4 Karnataka. The correct answer is Option 4 Karnataka. Barachakki and Gaganchakki are two waterfalls in the Mandya district of Karnataka near the island settlement of Sivanasamudra. The waterfalls are formed by the Kaveri River which flows through a 75-meter valley before, before splitting into two benches that flow around Shivamamudra Island. How many people have received Padma Shri Award from Rajasthan in the year of 2024? Option 1, 2, option 2, 3, option 3, 4, and option 4, 5. The correct answer is option 4, 5. In the year of 2025, 5 people from Rajasthan have received 4 Padma Shri Award. Jankilal Jankilal Bhand of Bhilwara was given Padma Shri in the field of arts. Ali Muhammad and Gani Muhammad of Tejasar were given joint Padma Shri in the field of music. Duruput singer Lakshmaphatta Tailang of Jaipur was given Padma Shri. Maya Tandon of Jaipur was given a Padma Shri in the social sector. Which of the following cities is situated on the river bank of Sabarmati? Option 1 Surat, option 2 Bhavnagar, option 3 Vadodara, option 4 Ahmedabad. The correct answer is option 4 Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is western India in the largest city in the state of Gujarat. The Sabarmati river runs through the center. Surat is a city of Gujarat located on the bank of the Topti river, originating from Pavagadh in the Panchmahal district of Gujarat. The Vishwamitra river flows mainly toward the west of the city of Vadodara. A small non-personal river named Konsara Nala passes through the outer area of Bhavnagar. In ancient India, what was the source of revenue known as bhaga that rulers of Mahajan, Maha, Maha, Mahajanapadas collected from their regions? Number 1 farmer, number 2 herder, number 3 businessman, and number 4 soldier. The correct answer is option 1 farmer. In ancient India, the rulers of Mahajanpadas levied a tax known as bhaga and farmer within their territories. Due to their construction of large forts and maintenance of sizable armies, their ruler requirement increased resources and appointed official of tax collection, transitioning from relying of res- sporadic gift as seen in the Janapadas rule. They began collecting regular taxes, giving horticulture prominence of the tax of topic typically set at 1/6 of the articular produce term of the bhaga as a share. Which of the following is type of handshake process? Option 1 ACK, option 2 SYN plus ACK, option 3 SYN, option 4 all of this. The correct answer is option 4 all of this. The three-way handshake process, the use of TCP transmission control protocol network for the transmission of data in a reliable was between the host and the client in the called three-way handshake because three segments are exchanged between the server and the client. CYN. The client wants to stabilize a connection with a server and sends a segment with synchronized sequence number to the server. If the server in up and has open parts SYN plus ACK, the server respond the client request with CYN ACK signal bit set. It the open sports ACK that clients acknowledge the response of the server and send the AC acknowledge pocket back to back server. Dash is the most widely used fuel by nuclear power plants. Option 1 uranium, option 2 titanium, option 3 platinum, option 4 germanium. The correct answer is option 1 uranium. Uranium, the most widely used fuel by nuclear power plant of nuclear fusion. Nuclear power plant use a certain type of uranium under 235 as fuel because its atoms are easily split apart. What is the shortcut key for creating the hyperlink is MS Word. Option 1 Control S, option 2 Control K, option 3 Control H, and option 4 Control P. The correct answer is option 2 Control K. Control K is the shortcut key for creating hyperlinks in hypertext environments that use the control key of control the active program. Control K is so often used to add, edit, or modify a hyperlink to a web page. Which city topped Swatch Vayu Sarvekshan 2023? Number 1 Bhopal, number 2 Indore, number 3 Jaipur, and number 4 Lucknow. The correct answer is option 2 Indore. Indore, Amravati, and Parmanu secured the top position in the country of cities with cleanest air, while Madurai, Jammu and Kohima come last in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2023 Clean Air Survey released by Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav, and survey in its second year included 130 cities under the National Clean Air Program. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for equal justice and free legal aid? Option 1 Article 39, option 2 Article 39A, and option 3 Article 40, option 4 Article 43B. The correct answer is option 2 Article 39A. Article 39A equal justice and free legal aid. The state shall ensure that the legal system works in such a way that justice is accessible on the basis of equal opportunity and that the opportunity of sharing justice securing justice is not denied to any citizen by person in economic and any other disability is was added by the 42 Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Who, who appoints the Advocate General of State? Option 1 President of India, option 2 Chief Justice of the High Court, option 3 Chief Minister of the State, option 2 Governor of the state. The correct answer is option 4, Governor of the state. In India, an advocate general is a legal advisor to the state government. The past is created by the Constitution of India and correspond to date to Attorney General for India at the union government level. The governor of each state shall appoint the person who is qualified to be appointed as judge of High Court as the Advocate General. Bharat gave Bharat gave a discount of 20% our market price of a bag and then sold it to Vidyan if he had made a 25% profit. By what percentage did he market up the price of the bag? Option 1 56%, option 2 53.33%, option 3 56.75%, option 4 56.25%. The correct answer is option 4 56.25%. Let the cost of bag be rupees 100. Let the market price be rupees X to selling price would be 0.8x. According to the question, equals to 0.8 into equals to 125. 1 into my equals to 156 minus 25. Thus is the market up by